Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Trello with Butler for automation workflows, beginner guide step by step. To start using Trello with Butler for automation workflows, first, log into your Trello account. Once logged in, navigate to the board you want to automate. In the top menu, look for the Automation button. Click on the Automation button to reveal the Butler options. Now, select Create Command to begin setting up your first automation. You will see various options like rules, calendar commands, and due date commands. Choose the type of command you wish to create based on your needs. For a simple project, start with rules. Click on Rules to open the rule creation interface. You will see a button that says Add Trigger. Click on Add Trigger to choose the action that will initiate your automation. Select a trigger from the available options, such as when a card is added to the board. After selecting a trigger, click on Add Action. You can assign actions like moving the card to another list or adding a label. Once you have configured your actions, review your rule settings. Make sure everything is set according to your workflow requirements. When you are satisfied with the setup, click on the Save button. Your first Butler command is now active and will run automatically based on your specified triggers. To test your automation, go back to your board and perform the trigger action. Watch as Butler executes the command you just created. You can continue to create additional commands by repeating these steps. Explore the various options within Butler to optimize your workflows further. You are now ready to use Trello with Butler for powerful automation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.